I can't get these memories out of my mind, and some kind of madness I started to evolve. I tried so hard to let you go, but some kind of madness is swallowing me whole. I have finally seen the light. I have finally realized what you mean. And now I need to know, is this real love, or is it just madness keeping us afloat? When I look back, all of the crazy fights we had, like some kind of madness was taking control. And now I have finally seen the light. And now I have finally realized what you mean. And now I have finally seen the end. I'm no expecting you to care, but I have finally seen the light. I have finally realized I need to love. I need to love. Come to me, trust in a dream. Come on and rescue me. Yes, I know I can be wrong. Baby, your heart is strong. What love is.
Bravo.